The Opinel le petit chef is specially designed for young chefs, with a focus on safety and ease of use. It's ideal for kids who want to help with chopping and cooking. Its compact size fits perfectly in small hands, and the unique ring on the handle ensures the index finger stays in the right spot, promoting a secure grip and proper cutting technique. This knife features a blade made from rust-resistant Sandvik 12C27 steel, known for its durability and corrosion resistance, so it stays sharp and rust-free even with frequent use. The wooden handle offers a natural look and a comfortable grip for children's hands. The Le Petit Chef has a rounded tip, significantly reducing injury risks. The short, white blade is versatile, ideal for slicing vegetables like cucumbers, carrots and zucchini without needing much force. The straight edge allows for precise cuts, like those needed for tomatoes or mushrooms. The included finger guard further enhances safety, helping kids learn the claw technique, to keep fingers tucked away from the blade. Opinel also offers a full Le Petit Chef set, available in green, red and blue. Besides the knife and finger guard, the set includes a peeler with a similar safety ring to guide kids' fingers for safe peeling. With over a century of experience, Opinel has been a trusted name in quality knives since 1890. Originally crafted by Joseph Opinel, these knives gained popularity for their simplicity and durability among workers like farmers and shepherds. The Le Petit Chef series extends Opinel's commitment to quality, designed specifically for children, just like the My First Opinel pocket knife series. Sharp, but with a rounded tip for added safety. The Opinel le Petit Chef is the ideal knife for kids eager to learn cooking. With thoughtful design and safety features, it's a must-have for young chefs, allowing them to practice cutting skills safely and enjoyably. A valuable investment for parents introducing their kids to the kitchen. For more, check out knivesandtools.com.